Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, GIS and Remote Sensing Solution. So in this video, I will be explaining to you the concept of interpolation, what interpolation is, and how, by step, how you can do an interpolation analysis. Yeah, let's say basically interpolation is a process you can use to determine the unknown values. In our case, these areas that doesn't have red point. I will explain what the point means, but it's a process of determining the unknown values that is between these known set of values. So this I've already imported here. Want to show you in a minute, but these are PM 2.5 values that I've already imported. I did that by using this and XY point and selected the values as you can see here, and then click OK. Just want to show you, but I've already done that and then run. But I've done that already, and that's why we have this. I don't want to do it again. So yeah, so these are sites that picks up PM 2.5 values, and then these are sites, and then of course if you don't have a site here, maybe you could know what the PM 2.5 is, but in this case we don't know what these values are, but we know what this place is, the PM 2.5 value, because we have stations there that tells us. So we want to know or want to do interpolation, at least to visualize what these areas could also look like, even though they don't have a particular set of values. So to do that, this interpolation is actually the initial analysis. If I'm trying to generate PM 2.5 values for the counties, and I would want to run a regression. Let's say I'm doing a regression for a particular model, and then PM 2.5 is one of the values that I want to impute. Then I need the PM 2.5 values for all the counties. Then I'll be using another set of analysis to get the values of all the counties. That will be zonal statistics. But in this case, we're just trying to visualize what these areas that doesn't have, that we don't know the values could possibly look like, using interpolation. So let's quickly go into that. And to do that, I will be either using this and then toolbox, or I could search IDW, or I could go directly and locate it, so I know where it is already, and it's in spatial analysis tools. And I'll go to interpolation. I've opened that already, and I will choose IDW. Then now I want to, these are the point values that I want to interpolate, and the other values set to impute themselves. But I have to keep in mind that there should be an extent that I want it to cover. If I don't use an extent, it will probably interpolate just these places that has. Okay, to give you a better idea of what I'm saying, let's run now without giving it an extent. So you see what it just interpolates within all the areas within the areas that have the stations. It doesn't extrapolate outside the areas, but we need to know that because we need to know the values for all these counties too. Then we'll we just come over here and then choose the counties as the extent. That's the extent we want it to go. And then we run that again and see if it changes it. So this is it. So it now gives us a cover of the counties as the extent. And then this now you can you can still reduce the transparency already. Okay, but initially it would be like this, and then you could barely see. But what you do then is you reduce the transparency so you can be able to see the values. So you can see a visualization of the values. So yes, so this is how to do an interpolation, and you can now clip using the county, and I've done videos with clipping, and in one of my videos I also showed you how to clip, and then you could also watch out and then check the videos, and you can also comment if you can do that, and I will also make a make something out of it on how to do a clipping differently. But that is it, guys, for the video. And the next one, I'll be showing you how to do a zonal statistics, and then how we can now have a particular like, data set for each of the counties that we can use in a regression model or any kind of correlation that we're trying to do. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day. Bye.